Hey guys, so today I know a lot of you have been asking me for hair growth DIYs that I would recommend since I have a lot of it on my channel and I know that it can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. So today I will give you my top 3 hair growth DIYs that you can start right now if you're trying to grow out your hair or just simply prevent excessive hair fall or to stop hair loss. So let's get started. Okay, so the first recipe is an oldie but a goodie. So the first ingredient here is using sweet almond oil, and this oil is not only great at making your hair soft, but it is rich in vitamin B1, B6, and vitamin E that are all known to promote hair growth, repair hair follicles, and keep your hair healthy and free of inflammation. So the next oil that I'll use is castor oil, and we all know that this oil has a lot of hair growth benefits, but it is also great for moisturizing the scalp, ease dandruff, and it leaves your hair smooth and shiny. And then the next one is using sesame oil. Now this oil is popularly used for hair growth and to maintain scalp health because it is enriched with vitamin E, B complex, and minerals such as magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and protein that strengthens the hair from the roots and deeply nourishes it. So in a container, I will add in about 8 tablespoons full of castor oil and then about 7 tablespoons of the sweet almond oil and then 5 tablespoons of the sesame oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix them together and then I will pour it in this ketchup container right here for easy application. And then I will apply that all over my scalp. What I'm doing here is, as usual, I'm sectioning my hair so that it'll be easier for me to coat my whole head. Also, you can apply this on the mid and the bottom part of your hair as well if you want to soften your hair. And then I think you guys know the procedure. I just place my hair inside the plastic bag to let it naturally heat up, and then I let it stay there for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can actually leave this on your hair even up to an hour, but it totally depends on you guys. So after that, I wash it off and this is the result. And oh my god, throwback to when my hair used to have brown tints. Okay, so for the next recipe, I will be using the garlic oil. Now, garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C. That is great for promoting hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth, and it has some antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp, further inhibiting hair growth. Alright, so the other ingredient that I'm using here is coconut oil. And first of all, this oil is going to counteract the smell of the garlic on your hair. And also, this oil is great for growing your hair long because coconut oil stimulates hair growth, promotes healthy scalp, and prevents hair loss and breakage. You can actually also add in castor oil if you all want to. So I'm going to pour in the oil and then I will add in the minced garlic and then I'm just going to let that marinate, and then after that I will mash it just so that the juice of the garlic would come out and would actually join with the coconut oil. So I'm going to keep that in an area that is dark for 1 week before using it. So after 1 week, what I usually do is I just use a cheesecloth to separate the minced garlic from the garlic oil. You don't have to apply this all over your hair. You can just apply this directly on your scalp, especially in the areas that you need more hair growth. Now you can leave this on your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes max. Also, you don't necessarily have to leave this too long on your scalp. And after that, wash it off with your shampoo. Okay, now for the last recipe. If you want to retain your length while growing out your hair, my latest DIY fenugreek oil is also great to use since fenugreek has been referred as the miracle herb for hair growth because it stimulates blood flow to the scalp, nourishing the hair follicles and encouraging faster, healthier hair growth, while its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help treat dandruff, scalp irritation, and acne. So the oils that I paired here are both the coconut oil and the castor oil, and I also just let it soak in there and let it marinate for 7 days. And then after that, I went ahead and used it on my scalp. And then after that, I left it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with my shampoo. And this is the result. And not only fenugreek oil will help you grow out your hair, but it will make your hair super soft as well. So that is it, you guys. I've narrowed it down to just 3. Actually, it's very hard to pick my top 3 because I have a lot of favorites, but I find that these hair masks are very easy to do and it's accessible to the majority of you. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!